Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to bring you today's video. We are going to be doing a realistic clean with me, as I wanted to kind of show you guys just what like an everyday cleaning routine looks like for me. I do have a few cleaning routine videos that I will have linked below if you want to see those, but this is just kind of like what it looks like on average for me. So if you like videos like this, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button if you haven't already. Now let's get cleaning together. We're starting out in the kitchen today and doing some of the dishes. I wash dishes a minimum of 3 times a day. Even though we do have a dishwasher, I wash my kids' dishes by hand. Everything else gets thrown in the dishwasher. Let me know in the comments if you wash your dishes by hand or if you have a dishwasher and you use it.
You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found.
And if you follow me over on Instagram, you would know you see the paint swatches in the back. We are going to be painting our kitchen really soon, and I'm really excited to take you along that journey with me. So if you want to see a small kitchen home transformation, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and stay tuned, as that will be up on my channel next month.
Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town, but there's something.
Also, stay tuned for Monday's video, as I have part 3 of my kitchen organization. It is the last part to my kitchen organization series, and then we will be tackling the rest of my house.
If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious.
So this is what's happening in my kitchen right now. I have all of my paint swatches, as we're gonna start painting really soon. So wait till you see what I end up picking. But yeah, this is a little glimpse into what's to come.
I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you.
Alright, now that the dishes are all done from this morning, we are about to leave the house. So before I leave our house, I always go to our robot vacuum and turn it on. And so yeah, we're gonna leave the house and go get me an ice cap and just do some running around. Ready? Let's go. Say bye-bye, Dudley. Look at them.
How'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine.
Alright guys, moving on to our bedroom. I am heading in there to make our bed. It's actually a lot later in the afternoon here. The girls are both down for their nap, and I figured I should probably make my bed now, as I actually did not get to it this morning because, you know, life happened. Let me know in the comments if you make your bed every day, and let this be your gentle reminder to go ahead and make your bed right now.
How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay.
Alright guys, moving on to supper. I am throwing it in the crock pot tonight. So I am actually going to be cooking a roast beef, and I actually just throw this in the crock pot, super easy, with some beef broth, and I add a little bit of water so it's not as salty. Then what I do is I put some Montreal steak spice on top of my roast beef, and that is it. Cook it on high for 1 hour and low for 4 hours, and it is done. Sometimes I will also add in onions and carrots and the potatoes right in, but I didn't have any of that, so this is just what I did, and it was super easy to do, and it's one of my go-to meals.
Could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know
Next, I'm just putting on some makeup really quickly, you guys, as I just wanted to look a little bit better. So this is just a very basic makeup look using like 3 products.
Try to be cool, even wear that shirt you wanted to. My friends think I'm lame since I met you. I am.
Okay, so I had to go put like foundation on because I wanted to. I just threw supper in the crock pot. When Aaron's working, I like to have supper like done during nap time so that I can relax instead of being totally chaotic and stressed out come supper time. So if you're a mom and you get really stressed out at dinner time when you're like, you know, trying to get everything cooked, you're trying to keep the kids happy and all the things, I would highly recommend getting dinner ready during nap time. And I have talked about this before and I will continue to talk about it as it is a huge time saver for me. So I just threw the roast beef in the crock pot there. Now we're gonna go ahead and tackle the bathroom. It is a mess. So we're gonna go ahead and clean that before tackling the rest of the house here.
It was not meant to be a fairy tale with a happy end. Girl, you take care now. I hope we can be friends. How could they say
I'm just wiping everything down with my Tiber River as I just like love this stuff. And if you're ever wondering why I have the sink on, those 2 toys that were in the sink there, I cleaned our tub recently and I used like a chemical cleaner, and so I just wanted to make sure that I had those really nice and clean in scorching hot water. So if you're wondering why those are in the sink, that's why.
unlike my friends, you are nothing like them?
So if you're wondering, here's a little hot tip for you, and I've shared it before, but clean your mirrors with a coffee filter and it makes them not streaky. I know, game changing. Let me know in the comments if you knew of this tip or not.
How'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine.
So I remember seeing somewhere that people apparently don't like when you clean toilets in YouTube videos, and I thought it was hilarious. So of course I had to clean my toilet in today's video. Let me know if you think that's weird, and if you do, obviously I can stop, but I just thought it was hilarious.
How could they say I was broken?
I also wanted to share with you guys these shelves that my husband built for me. I was going to share it in a YouTube video, but I just decided not to. So if you've been here a while, you would not recognize these as they are new. And so yeah, I just wanted to kind of quickly show you them. I just think it adds a little bit more extra decor and just looks a little bit more homey, and I'm really happy with how they turned out. Okay, so now that I got that all done, I'm heading into my kitchen and we are going to tackle my fridge. I gotta go grocery shopping, like I said, tomorrow, and so I usually do this the day before garbage day, but today is actually garbage day and it is 12:15. I feel like it's so late. This time change is killing me. Anyone else? Let me know in the comments, because I just can't even. Where I'm from, there's no such thing as time change. So anyway, we're going through my fridge. I gotta go do this like literally as quick as possible so I can get it outside so the garbage man can take it. Otherwise it's gonna sit in my house and I don't want that. So let's go ahead and do that together. All right, you guys, my fridge is so messy, as you can see. Lots of this stuff has gone bad or we just didn't eat it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take everything that needs to be thrown out and throw it in the garbage so I can get the garbage out for the garbage man. Like, how many times can I say garbage in this video? Seriously. Anyway, so I'm just going ahead and taking out all the leftovers that have went bad. Usually we're really good about eating our leftovers, but this week apparently we were just not very good. And this is something that I'm trying to get a lot better at. And usually when I food prep, it doesn't happen, but I actually did not food prep last week, and that's probably why. So now my fridge looks so much neater and organized, and it just makes me happy. So I'm just throwing those containers in the dishwasher so I can get it ready to go, and then I'm gonna go outside and take the garbage out prior to having a quick bite to eat, as I was starving. jalapeno bites from Walmart are so good. I had to share them with you. I eat them for lunch often actually, and they are so easy to make. I like to dip them in ranch, and if you follow me over on Instagram, I shared it over there as well, but I wanted to share it with you guys here as well. Alright, now it's time for my daily load of laundry. So if you're new here, I like to keep up with my laundry by doing 1 load a day. It just kind of helps me to keep it at bay so that I'm not overwhelmed by the endless loads of laundry as a family of 4. Alright, so the roast is all done, it is cooked, and so yeah, I ended up having time to make the sweet potatoes, so I just threw them in my Actor Fry, which I freaking love this thing, you guys. If you don't have an Actor Fry, you need to get one, and I will have one linked below. But this is how the roast beef turned out. I just served it with those sweet potato fries, some gravy, some green beans for the girls, and then a little side salad, and it turned out so good. Alright everybody, that is going to be it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this realistic clean with me. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit your bell so you're notified when I post new videos, which is twice a week, and we will see you in my next video. Bye guys.